Hello, my name is Tia Marie Sanders with the Novi Feed the Need Summertime Lunch Program sponsored by the Novi Rotary. And I've had the pleasure of getting to know Kevin over the last 4 years. Every year he's come to our program where we have anywhere between 60 to 100 students of elementary age to come out and hear him speak. He has touched the hearts of all of our students as well as our volunteers, and it's just really been a pleasure to have him come out. Every year the subject is different and it's relative to what the kids are experiencing, especially in our current times where they're feeling like they're confused or really don't know how to make new friendships as they go into the new school year. It's really a pleasure to have Kevin come out and talk to them about navigating that. I think one of my favorite years was when he actually talked to them about anti-bullying and how to stand up for someone, how to speak up for someone, and to speak up for themselves. So not only has he helped them to have a good time learning about this, but given them the actual tools that they come back and let me know that they were able to use during the school year. And it just makes for a much better school environment. We continue to have him come back every single year because it's really important to have him talk to the kids and they enjoy it. Even today, the feedback that we got from the parents was very positive and very helpful, and he was able to say things to the kids that even they'd have a hard time getting through to their kids. So it's nice to have someone that kind of can meet them at their level, talk to them at their level, and make them feel included. And we're just really glad to have him at Feed the Need every year, and we'll look forward to having him come back again next year.